Remember now your Creator in the days of your youth. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ang youth dyan ay hindi lang young people but also actually talks about your prime years. I talked about this sa YA tsaka sa YP. Your prime years. When should you remember your Creator? In your prime years. Come on. In your prime years. Kailan ba yung prime mo? Doon mo alala, wag mo sabihin, matanda na ako, retire na ako, magsiserve na ako sa Panginoon. Does not remember your Creator in your prime years. Ang problema ng mga tao ngayon, kung matanda na, doon na sila pupunta sa Panginoon. Retire na ako, bibigay ko na buhay ko sa Panginoon. Bakit hindi mo binigay nung bata ka pa? Kasi nung bata pa ako, nung younger pa ako, para sa trabaho yun. Can you imagine that? You face God one day, and God will ask you, what did you do in your prime years? Oh, I gave it to work. I gave it to business. I gave it to... And I'm not saying don't work, ha? I'm not saying don't do business. You don't misunderstand me, because I work. I do business. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, remember now. Rehearse now. Connect now. Give your life now. Now. Young people, now. Habang malakas ka pa, habang may pera ka pa, habang kaya mo pa. Come on.